I've never seen this before. You just barely grazed me. Okay.
Come here.
Why don't you go up the trail a little ways? I'll walk and then you
What's your problem?
video him chasing me.
Okay. Yeah. It's rolling now.
No, I was going to say, have you video him
okay.
chasing me so you can see me walk.
Okay. Go ahead.
He's after you now. I don't know, man.
Go ahead, start walking, see what it is.
Amazing.
He knows who his threat is.
Yeah, he's after you
now. Back off.
He'll fall down, he'll go for your throat, man. Oh, that is hilarious.
This might be the end of the trail for us. I think he's won.
Okay,
Here, you go. I'm going to stand right here.
This is so funny. I think we may have. I think we may have.
It is now. Oh, it's recording now. Yeah. Okay, come on, Bird. Whoa! I'm gonna reach down and grab you.
That is just funny.
Okay, I'm gonna run.
Oh, now he's after me.
Here, give me the camera.
He won't go for my feet, you notice that? Must go for like my shins or something. Ooh, he's getting higher ground advantage. He's gonna go for my jugular. That was just so cool. You're one tough hombre. One tough hombre. Yeah. Man, I wonder what a turkey's like. You know, that'd be a little, whoops, that'd be a little scarier.
Look at the camera hogging.
So this is actually videoing, you think, still? Or is it run out of time?
No, it's video.
Here, I'm going to give you the camera and you see if you can get video in case you got to back up. I just am amazed that he would threaten that big of an animal. You know? Does he do this to like elk and deer?
We're back again. We're back again.
Would you call that yellow or orange?
I'd call that orange.
I thought the spruce had red. And blue is yellow.
What's your problem? What's your problem?
Yeah, is that a zoom on it?
I don't have it. It gets kind of focused.
Death by grouse.
Okay. I'm leaving. Here he comes.
So he kind of cocks his head to the side like he's going to strike at me. He's going to climb those steep banks, huh? His claws must help a lot.
Whoa, here he comes.
Well, don't spin out, buddy.
The attack mode.
It's a pretty bright orange, though. Not really what I call yellow.
Come here. Come here. Pet me. Let me pet you. Let me pet you. Jurassic grouse. Come on. Come on. Whoa!
You got the video?
Yeah.
Well, look, it's like one side's brighter than the other.
Yeah.
See that?
Yeah, I'm got you. I see you seeing me see you. Come here. Come here. Come on, let me pet you, bird. Come on. Come on. Come on, let me pet you, birdie. Let me pet you. He's after you.
Let's keep holding. We'll lap him.
We're going back to town. You coming with us?
Still on video?
Yeah. Here. Here, let me pet you. Come to Chucky. Come to Chucky.
Those shark rockets keep holding on.
He won't let me by. Give me my weapon. Give me my foil.
Oh, man.
Okay, get out of the way. Get out of the way.
Trip and go down and he'll be on you.
Go down there. Okay, now he's after you.
I wonder where she is. It really is. There's something else. You got a fish planted, didn't you?
Look at